In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams on Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects and collaborating with your colleagues, and creating teams is the perfect way to get started on any group project. So let's dive right in and set up your teams efficiently. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and it will prompt you to sign into your Trello account. You can either use your existing email or choose to log in through Google, whichever is easiest for you. If you're not yet signed up, make sure to create an account first to follow along. After successfully logging in, move your cursor towards your account icon, again on the upper right side of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Create Workspace and select it. Creating a workspace is the first step in setting up a team on Trello. Now it's time to name your workspace. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or theme of your team's activities. It could be the name of a project, a department within your organization, or any identifier that your team will immediately recognize. Following that, you're prompted to select the workspace type. Choose the one that best suits your team's goals. This step helps Trello know how to customize your experience based on the selected workspace type. Remember, if you'd like, you can also add a brief description of your workspace. This description is optional but can be helpful to communicate what this workspace is all about to your team members. Once you're satisfied with your inputs, click on the Continue button to proceed. At this point, you have created your workspace, but to make it functional, you need to bring your team members on board. To do this, start by inviting team members. You can either type in their emails or enter their Trello usernames to find them. As you start typing, relevant search results will appear. Simply click on the names or emails you want to add to the team. Once selected, click on Invite to Workspace. Don't worry if you forget someone initially. You can always go back and invite more team members by clicking on Invite Workspace Members. For a swift collaboration setup, another option is to create an invite link. Click on Create Link, then Copy Link. This link can be shared with potential team members via your preferred communication channels. Lastly, for those who prefer sending direct invitations, you can continue typing more email addresses. Select them and click Send Invite to finalize the invitation process. And there you have it, you've successfully created a team on Trello. Now you can start collaborating on projects efficiently within this organized space. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.